So we've already shown how any figure that is congruent to another figure can be mapped onto that other figure by at most 3 reflections. This time we're showing students how to document that process. So we'll start in the same way by selecting 2 corresponding vertices and finding the perpendicular bisector of the segment that connects those vertices. Okay, so here we go doing that. And here's my perpendicular bisector. Okay, so that is my reflection line. So let me mark it as a reflection line. And then selecting the blue figure in this case, I'll reflect it across that line. Okay, so that's done. The next thing I want to do is actually record which line I've reflected over in the first place. So let's measure the equation of that line. And we'll keep that over here so that we don't lose it. Okay, so the next thing would be to again select 2 corresponding vertices. So I might choose this and this. And again, construct a segment between them and find the perpendicular bisector of that segment. Okay, so here's my second reflection line. So I'd want to select the blue region again and all the vertices. Okay, and here comes that reflection. Okay. Just to clean things up a bit, I'm going to get rid of this. And I guess I'll get rid of this too. Okay, so the next thing has to happen is I'll pick 2 more corresponding vertices. So let's pick these 2 and go through the same process. Okay, so that's my final reflection line. And this time I'll just select the blue region. And that should achieve the final mapping of the blue figure onto the yellow figure. And again, I'll just clean up so that we can see better. Okay. So again, the purpose of this was mainly the documentation. So my first reflection line was this one here, M. The second reflection line was this one here, so we'd like to measure it and get the equation. So we have M, that equation, we have N with this equation, and I'm guessing we'll also have O, and O is here. Okay, so when students do their write-ups, they'll say that figure A, B, C, D, E can be mapped onto figure A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime by the following series of reflections. First reflection across y equals negative 3.83x plus 3.25. Then y equals 3.27x minus 20.74. Then across y equals 1.63x minus 4.25. So in that way, students have a record of the actual reflections that took place, and they can document their work, and that's what we want them to be able to do.